Hello, and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to write your articles with the help of Articalize. This is the second part of the Writer section. Let's get started. From the dashboard, first navigate to the Writer section. In the first video of the Writer section, I explained everything from scratch to website. Please watch part 1 of the video, as all these options work the same way. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a product review, product comparison, listicle, and writing with AI one by one. Click on Product Review. Here you'll see two options, Enter Product Info and Enter Features. Open a new tab and visit any e-commerce website to find a product. Search for a product, for example, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Copy the product title and paste it into the product information section on Articalize. Next, copy the product description and paste it into the Enter Features field on Articalize. Click on Next to continue. On this page, you can add multiple user reviews for the best comparison. Navigate to the product page, copy the review, and paste it into Review 1. Click on the Add Review option, and you'll be able to add multiple reviews. Copy another review and paste it here. Click Next to continue. On this page, you can select the AI model of your choice. For example, I am selecting OpenAI GPT-4. Next, choose the language in which you want to create the article. In my case, I am selecting English as the language. Additionally, you will see multiple options. Create a table of contents. Create images. Put text to images. Set image ratio as your choice. Choose image count. Choose the writing style for your article. You can select the type of article you want to create based on your preference. Set target word count for your article. Once you have customized these settings, click Next to proceed. Wait a moment. You can now see that the article title and table of contents have been successfully generated. You can select your preferred title from the suggested options. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click on Next to continue. Wait a moment. Here, you can see the article was generated successfully. Wait a moment. An image will also be generating. Review the content and update it if needed. You can see that the image has also been generated. If you're satisfied with the changes, click Save to save your changes. Now, click on Product Comparison. Follow the same steps here. Simply enter the item category, niche, and the information you want to include in the introduction for the product comparison. And click Next to continue. Then, navigate to an e-commerce website to copy the smartphone details you want to compare. Paste the copied details into the Product 1 information field. In the Product 2 information field, copy the details of a different smartphone and paste them here for comparison. You can also add more products for comparison. The minimum required is 2, but you can add more based on your preference. Once you've added the products, checkmark the one you want to recommend in the product inclusion section and click Next. I'm using the default settings. Click on Next to continue. You can see that the table of contents and title have been generated. Select them and click on Next to continue. Wait a few moments. The article is generating. You can see the article was generated successfully. Review the content and update it if needed. Click on Save to save your changes. Now, click on Listicle. I'll guide you with a quick overview of the listicle section. Here, you'll see two options. Simply enter the category of the products. You can also add multiple items with product information. Follow the same steps to generate the article as I showed in the product comparison section. Move to the Writer section. Now select the Write with AI option. I'm showing you a quick overview of this section. Simply enter the content you want to generate, or copy the content you want to use for generating the article using AI in Articalize. Once done, click Next to continue. I'm using the default options. Click Next to continue. You can see that the table of contents and title have been generated. Select them and click on Next to continue. Wait a few moments. The article is generating. You can see the article was generated successfully. Review the content and update it if needed. Click on Save to save your changes. Now I'll show you how to recheck your created articles. Navigate to Articles sections. On this page, you can easily find all your created articles. You'll also see multiple options available here, allowing you to filter the data easily. For example, you can use the status filter to choose between published and draft articles by selecting one. If I select draft, only the draft results will be visible. If I select publish, only published results will show. Since there are no published articles in my account, that's why nothing is displayed. You can also select a date range to filter between created and published articles. Simply choose the date range, and it will display only the articles created within that period. In the search option, you can easily find both draft and published articles. Simply enter the title name, and the article will automatically appear. If you need to modify, update, or view your created article, simply click on any article, and you'll be able to see it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.